how you can fix the switch account problem in Messenger. If you're facing a problem while switching your account in Messenger, or it does not let you switch your account, I'm going to show you a quick fixes that you can apply to fix the problem. So first, open your Facebook Messenger app, and then I'm going to explain what the problem basically is. If you try to switch account from here, you won't be able to, because there might be some problems. So the first problem might be your account might have been banned, so you have to make sure the account that you're trying to log in is not banned or disabled. So that's the first thing that you have to make sure while logging in or switching the account. The second thing you have to make sure is your app is up to date. So for that, just open your Play Store, and once you open your Play Store, you can search for Messenger app and then open it. Make sure that this is on open, and if you have an update available right here, you can update the app to the latest version. Once you do that, this should fix the problem, but if it still doesn't fix your problem, then you will have to open your phone settings and go to your app settings. Once you open your apps, then you'll find your Messenger app here. And once you get to Messenger, just open it and then go to storage. Once you go to storage, you can clear the cache, and you can also clear your entire data, but please make sure that once you do this, all of your login info will be deleted, and you will have to log in to your account again by entering your password. And after doing all of this, your problem should be solved, and you should be able to switch your account without any problem. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.